Hey guys, Skip here. Sun's coming in strong. It's sunny out, but it's windy and cold. Anyway, working on some gadgets here, coming up, busting some ideas around. As you can see over here, we've got the skewers in here right now. I'm going to use actually a little bit thicker dowel rods in place of those, but I'm going to extend them out a little bit and rig just a little bit of twine I'm going to use to kind of rig fashion a netting or kind of a rope kind of catch. So when the planes come in, because it's such a short landing strip, the runway is not a problem. Those little sport cubs will take off without a problem on this. But coming in, they're probably going to roll off the end, unless I can just set it right down. But in the event that we're not that lucky, Mike or I, or whoever else tries this, I'm going to have the netting all the way around the perimeter out in the front here, and you're going to have to land over the EDF, and I'm keeping the buildings that I'm using, actually they're going to be for battery compartment and housing of electronics. Yeah, so that kind of comes in cool because they already have lids and latches. I just pop them open, drop the stuff in there, close it closed. I'm going to have them painted up so it looks like buildings or a control tower type of thing. And then a ping pong ball and a top of a whipped cream can, and that's going to be painted up a little bit, the base at least, and that's going to be my radar. And then I've got a retract, actually a set of two. I was going to sell them because I didn't end up putting them on any drones or anything, but I'm looking at these, I think, well, you know what, it goes up, it goes down. I can put a couple of drag lines on each side here with a couple of treble hooks, just a little dangle, and then if I have to park up next to a plane, I can just drop it down, snag the plane, lift it back up, and scoot on in. So if that doesn't work, we've also got a winch set up here, and I'll show you how this works. And we're going to put this probably off the front, and then I'll put an anchor on that, and just a little anchor weight, and we'll probably use that just to hold position downwind, so when we come into land, or I might have to do it in the back. Okay, downwind that way. I have to figure out which way it's going to have to go. I think from the front, landing into the wind. Yeah, so I'm going to have it up in the front so the boat is facing the wind. No, I'll figure it out. Anyway, we'll show you here real quick the winch and stuff. So that'll be good. I can put that on actual switch position, so I'm not having to deal with the running up and down and centering. This one centers out about 1465. Should be about, what, 1500 if the travel was right. But this is a continuous turn servo, so got about 100 and something foot of line on there. So if we have to go deep, we can go deep. So let's try something else here. I'll show you the... I know everybody's probably dying to see how I came out with this EDF unit. I was going to do two of them, but I don't have two ESCs that are matching. I've got two matching motors, two matching EDFs, but I don't have two matching ESCs. So I'm going to have to just go with what I've got for now. But let's see here. Oh, that should work. You guys see this, right? Could use that for fishing on this boat, too. It even jigs. So how about that, guys? That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? So we got that going, and I've got two of them. I might just... I thought about using the both of them up on the front of the boat and rigging a net to them so that the net drops down, we take off, and then when coming in for a landing, I could hit the gear, or hit a switch and raise these things, and it'll bring a net up. So that was another thought that I'm just kicking around ideas today here before I actually start doing any serious stuff to this. But I had to get some things kind of planned. And let's check out the EDF here. It sounds pretty good, guys. Actually, I listened to it once already. see if we can get you a better vantage point here, guys. Well, it took off out of there. I probably should have glued it in, huh? Well, that's what experimentation's all about. I can't wait to see that one on replay. The fan made it, the EDF unit made it all the way across the room and scared the poor dog. Probably landed on him. All right, guys. Anyway, back to the drawing board here. We got something going here. I think it'll work. I just have to. Obviously, I'm going to have to put the mount the fan in there. But it really took off in a hurry. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later. Wish me luck.